Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Arr, matey, it be Halloween, or very close to it. So we're breaking out our new pirate costume, which I really like. I'm breaking out the new pirate bird. Okay, he's an old pirate bird, but that's okay. I really like him too. And we're gonna do a Smoky Bones today for Halloween. And I'll drop the stupid accent because, yes, as you can see, it's bothering everybody. But a Smoky Bones, that's the answer today. Very simple, very easy, very delicious. We're gonna start well, you're so full of instructions. Thank you. I appreciate it. Kissed you on the head. Look, there she is. Here we go. 1, 2 good shots of black walnut bitters. Okay. Then we're going to get an ounce of lemon juice. Excuse me, sir. That way. An ounce of lemon juice. There we go. Then we're going to do an ounce of honey simple syrup. That's an easy 1-to-1 honey to water ratio. Boil it for a second or two. Stir it up. And then you get yourself a nice honey syrup. And then we're going to use some rye this time because with the honey we got a little sweetness. We want to spice it up a little bit. So we're going to use some rye. 2 ounces of rye. And always, the recipe is in the comments. Oh, by the way, we're the Wizard in Oz. This is Cocktails with a Cockatoo. I'll get it in there somewhere. The editor will fix it.
Maybe, if we're lucky.
Now comes the fun part. First, we got to give this a good shake. You ready to shake it? He's telling me you got to shake it, Dad. I got you. Kiss it for luck. Thank you. Give it a good shake. 15 seconds, because we have different viscosity. Yeah, baby. We're shaking good today, aren't we? Very good. Now, we're going to pour it into the skull. Ooh, that's so cool. Crystal Head vodka. Thank you very much for the use of that. Of course, we did have to empty it out in order to get it in there, but that's okay. It's fun to have a funnel. It's fun to have a funnel. You're so funny. Dude, you help me pour it in there. That boy. Make sure it all comes out that bottom end. There we go. All right. But what else is going to go in that? Oh, just you wait and see, mate. Just you wait and see. We're going to take our little smoker, drop that in there. Here, you come over here because this is going to be flaming and dangerous, and I don't want you anywhere near flaming and dangerous. Crank up the juice. Ooh, very dangerous. We don't need it too hot. And we're going to go like this with our little fan. We've got some applewood smoking chips in there. Turn that jet flame off. As you can see, we have now filled this up with smoke. We're just going to put a little stopper in there. Move this out of the way. Let that sit there for a minute because, you know, quite frankly, you bring this out to your guests, this is going to look way cool. I'm telling you. A little light in the head? Whatever. Feeling a little smoky? Yeah, baby. This is cool. This is Halloween. Arr, matey, it's a Smoky Bones is what this be. Oh, that applewood smells really good. Let's pour this in here. Here we go. I like it. It's just going to sit there and smoke a little bit. Alas, Priora, I knew him well. Shakespeare's rolling over in his grave. Don't worry about it. Arr, matey. Oh, yeah. You can taste the smoke. That's so nice. And the rye, a little zippiness, lemon and the honey kind of balance each other out. This is a great Halloween drink. And this is the way to serve it. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. We hope you'll subscribe, share with your family and friends, ask your questions below in the comments. That's where you'll also find the recipes. We'll talk to you soon. Hope to see you again next time on Ozcapades or Cockatails.